All right. If you haven't registered, let's get up there and get registered here, and we'll be all right. We got food on its way coming, a lot of food coming, and all kinds of things happening here. We're going to do a 50-50 today. We're going to have a 50-50. We got some giveaway stuff. We got prizes. We got a lot of things happening today. We got a beautiful day going, so we want to thank everybody for coming out and support the first show. I think we're going to be doing another show this year from what I heard in September, so they're talking about another show already. All right, we're going to keep it going. Let's send this out to our Pontiac guys.